Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Tega. If you are new on my channel, you're very welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a scrunchie headband. So let's just get started. I'll be making use of a silk fabric as the main fabric. You can use any lightweight fabric of your choice. I'll be making use of another fabric that is stretchy. So you need a stretch fabric as well, along with your other fabric. Here's the measurement you will need for your headband. So you want to take note of this, and I'll move on to the next stage, and which is stitching down the main fabric itself. So by the edge of the side of the main fabric, you want to mark 4 inches. Accordingly, then by the width, you want to take ½ inch or 3/4 of an inch. I decided to go with 3/4 instead of ½ inch. Then you roll a line across and cut. So here I'm taking the 3/4 instead of ½ inch. So after then, you need to roll your line using a ruler, or you can do it free-handedly. And once that is done, take your scissors and cut. And you want to repeat the same process for the other side of the fabric. Now you would have both hands like this. So you want to work with your stretch fabric now. Fold it in half and take ½ inch, stitch down ½ inch all the way down the sides. Once you finish sewing that, you want to turn it over to the right side. You can use a safety pin or anything you feel comfortable using. So that's done now. I want to move ahead to the next stage, which is the main fabric. You want to stitch down the same way along the length all the way down. Once that is done, you want to repeat the same process and use anything you feel comfortable with, preferably a safety pin, and turn it over. Now I've got this stretch fabric for the back of the band. I've got the main fabric. And here is your inner piece. So you want to grab it and apply a safety pin, but here I'm using a hair pin, whatever you feel comfortable using. And we're going to pull it through the main piece. So you grab that and you pull that through. Make sure you don't lose grip of the other hand of the inner fabric. So you want to do that, and you need to secure with pins, both hands with pins, so you don't lose grip of that. Once that process is completed, you want to work with your stretch fabric. So take note of where I'm gonna place the wrong side on top of the wrong side, and I'm gonna apply a pin there to secure it. Then place the other one as well and apply the pin so you don't lose grip of that. Next stage, you want to fold the main fabric over on top of the stretch fabric like that. That's right. So you want to do that and apply the pin again and repeat the same process for the other hand as well. Once both sides are secured, you want to start stitching on both sides. You would have something like this, so you need to trim off the excess, because when you turn it over there'll still be excess on the other side, so you need to trim that excess to give it a good finish. And once you've done that for both sides, you should have a fabulous scrunchy headband. So guys, this is how to make a scrunchy headband with no elastic and no plastic. Very easy and straightforward, and it's very comfortable as well. If you've enjoyed watching this video, remember to subscribe, press the notification bell to notify you anytime I post a new video. Like and share, and I'll see you in my next video. But till then, look after yourself and bye for now.